Big news, Austin. An intense storm system is heading your way, and it's shaping up to be a significant weather event that everyone should pay attention to. Meteorologists have been tracking this system for days, and now it's clear that Austin is right in its path. Mark your calendars for this Saturday, March 7th, 2026. That's when the worst of the weather is expected to hit, bringing with it a dramatic shift from the calm days we've been enjoying. This isn't just a passing shower, it's the first major storm of spring, and it could cause real problems for the city. Expect heavy downpours, sudden gusts of wind, and rapidly changing conditions that could catch people off guard. Central Texas is under a level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk, meaning scattered severe thunderstorms are likely. This level of risk means that while not every area will see severe weather, those that do could experience dangerous conditions. We're talking about storms with strong winds, large hail, and possible flooding. Some areas could see hailstones big enough to damage cars and roofs, and flash flooding could make travel hazardous. After a quiet winter, the atmosphere is waking up. Think of it as a sleeping giant stirring. The sudden change in weather patterns can catch people by surprise, so it's important to stay informed. The National Weather Service is urging everyone to have a plan for Saturday. Make sure you know where to go if severe weather strikes, and keep your phone charged for emergency alerts. Severe weather means more than just rain. It can damage property and threaten safety. Downed trees, power outages, and blocked roads are all possible, so it's smart to prepare ahead of time. We'll walk you through what to expect, when it will hit, and how to prepare. From assembling an emergency kit to knowing the safest place in your home, we've got you covered. Understanding the weather is the best way to stay safe. By staying informed and making a plan, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from the worst of the storm. We'll cover the dangers, timing, and what's causing the storm, so you'll know exactly what to watch for as the system moves in. Plus, we'll share simple tips to help you get ready, from stocking up on essentials to making sure your pets are safe and your outdoor furniture is secured. So, let's dive in and get weather-wise for this weekend in Austin. With the right information and a little preparation, you can face this storm with confidence. Stay alert. This is one storm you don't want to ignore. Make sure you're ready, stay tuned for updates, and let's get through this together. Thunderstorms are common in Austin, but this one stands out for its strength and timing. It's the first major storm of spring, fueled by extra energy in the atmosphere. That energy can turn a routine storm into a severe one, with dangerous conditions. What's unique is the combination of a strong cold front, Gulf moisture, and a low-pressure system, all converging at once. This creates an unstable environment, perfect for powerful thunderstorms. Unlike a typical rainy day, these storms will be isolated but intense, with sudden bursts of wind, rain, and hail. The weather can shift from calm to chaotic in minutes. The risk level means property damage and safety threats are possible. Saturday isn't your average rainy day. Extra caution is needed. We're giving you this heads up so you can be ready. Respect the power of nature and take simple steps to prepare. Stay aware and stay safe. Let's break down the main threats that come with these storms: large hail, damaging winds, and minor flooding. Each of these hazards can cause serious problems in just a matter of minutes, so it's important to know what to expect and how to stay safe. Hail could reach golf ball size, big enough to dent cars, break windows, and injure anyone caught outside. Even smaller hail can cause damage to roofs, siding, and plants. If you hear hail hitting your home, stay away from windows and glass doors. If a warning is issued, get indoors immediately and park your car under cover if possible. Move pets and outdoor animals to shelter and avoid being outside until the storm passes. Damaging winds could gust up to 60 mph, snapping branches, downing power lines, and tossing loose objects. These winds can turn everyday items into dangerous projectiles and cause widespread power outages. Secure patio furniture, trampolines, and trash cans before the storms arrive. Bring in anything that could blow away, and double-check that windows and doors are closed tightly. Power outages are possible, so charge your devices ahead of time. Make sure you have flashlights, batteries, and a way to get weather updates if the power goes out. Heavy rain could fall quickly, overwhelming the ground and causing minor flooding. Even a short burst of intense rain can lead to water pooling on roads and in low-lying areas. Flooded roads and underpasses can be dangerous. Never try to drive or walk through them. Just a few inches of moving water can sweep away a car or knock you off your feet. Remember, turn around, don't drown. It's not worth the risk to try and cross a flooded area. These aren't just inconvenient storms. They can be dangerous if you're unprepared. Emergency crews may be busy, so your safety depends on your own preparation. Know the risks and take action before the weather turns. Talk with your family about what to do if severe weather strikes. Stay tuned for alerts and warnings. Use a weather app, NOAA radio, or local news to keep up with the latest information. Preparation now can prevent damage and keep you safe. Simple steps like installing shutters or placing sandbags can make a big difference. Severe weather is about more than just rain. Be ready for hail, wind, and flooding. Take these threats seriously and don't wait until the last minute to act. Your safety depends on it. Stay calm, stay prepared, and look out for one another. Stay inside and stay informed. The more you know, the safer you'll be when severe weather strikes. What's fueling this storm? It's a clash of air masses. A strong cold front pushes south, forcing warm, humid Gulf air to rise rapidly. This lift triggers thunderstorms, powered by high moisture and energy. A dry line adds instability, separating moist Gulf air from dry desert air. The combination of cold front, dry line, and upper-level low pressure creates the perfect setup for severe storms. Think of it as a recipe: cold air, Gulf moisture, and a little extra spin from above. When these ingredients mix, storms can quickly turn severe. That's why Saturday's setup is so concerning. Saturday morning may seem calm, cloudy skies, muggy air, and mild temperatures. But don't be fooled. The atmosphere is loading up for action. High dew points mean plenty of moisture, fueling the storms to come. Use the quiet morning to secure loose items, charge devices, and review your safety plan. Scattered showers may pop up, but the main event starts around noon in the hill country. Late morning is your last chance to run errands or finish outdoor tasks. The weather will feel increasingly unstable as the cold front approaches. Think of the morning as the calm before the storm. The energy is building. The sun might peek through, adding even more fuel. The real action begins when the cold front arrives in the afternoon. Stay aware and keep an eye on the forecast. Don't let the quiet fool you. Change is coming fast. Be ready before the storms begin. By early afternoon, the risk for severe weather peaks in Austin. Thunderstorms will develop to the west and move quickly into the city as temperatures climb. The cold front's arrival triggers widespread, intense storms. This is when hail and damaging winds are most likely. When the front is near, head indoors and stay put. Expect sudden darkness, strong winds, thunder, and heavy rain. Hail risk is highest now. Stay away from windows. If you're driving, seek shelter in a parking garage, not under a bridge. After the main storms, temperatures will drop sharply, by as much as 15 degrees in a few hours. Rain and wind may linger, but the worst will pass quickly. Stay inside until conditions improve. Safety first. Don't take chances during the peak of the storm. As evening arrives, the severe threat fades, but rain and wind continue. The cold front stalls to the south, ending the risk of hail and tornadoes for Austin. Cooler, drier air moves in and temperatures drop noticeably. Rain becomes steady and widespread, with most areas seeing at least an inch by Sunday. Winds pick up, gusts of 25 to 30 mph will make it feel even colder. Secure any remaining loose items outside. The night will be blustery, wet, and chilly. Severe weather is over, but it's still smart to stay indoors. Check for damage only if it's safe. Avoid downed power lines and fallen branches. Enjoy the sound of rain, knowing the worst is behind you. Safety comes first. Being prepared makes all the difference. When severe weather threatens, every second counts, so knowing what to do ahead of time can save lives and reduce stress for everyone in your household. Always have a reliable way to get weather alerts, whether it's a NOAA weather radio, emergency alerts on your phone, or local news updates. Make sure your devices are charged and within reach, especially at night when storms can strike unexpectedly. Understand the alerts. A watch means conditions are right for dangerous weather, so be ready to act. A warning means severe weather is happening or about to happen. Take action immediately to protect yourself and your loved ones. Before the storm arrives, secure outdoor items like patio furniture, grills, and trash cans to prevent them from becoming dangerous projectiles. Park your car under cover or in a garage if possible to protect it from hail or flying debris. Prepare an emergency kit with essentials: flashlights, extra batteries, first aid supplies, necessary medications, bottled water, and non-perishable food. Don't forget important documents, pet supplies, and a phone charger. When a warning is issued, move quickly to a small, windowless interior room on the lowest floor of your home, such as a hallway, bathroom, or closet. Stay away from windows and exterior walls to avoid flying glass and debris. Bathrooms or closets work best. Put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Bring your emergency kit and keep everyone together until the danger passes. Mobile homes aren't safe during severe storms. If you live in one, plan ahead to get to a sturdier shelter, like a neighbor's house or a community storm shelter, before the storm hits. If you're caught outside, seek shelter immediately in a sturdy building. Avoid taking cover under lone trees or near power lines, as these can be extremely dangerous during high winds and lightning. If you're driving, pull over safely away from trees, power lines, and low-lying areas that could flood. Stay in your car with your seatbelt on and keep your hazard lights flashing until the storm passes. Stay calm, stay informed, and follow your safety plan. Listen for updates and only leave your shelter when authorities say it's safe. Taking these simple steps can make a big difference for you and your family. Don't wait for the storm to arrive. Start preparing now and you'll be ready when it matters most. After Saturday's storm, unsettled weather continues. Sunday will be much cooler and damp, with highs only in the 50s and lingering rain. Keep a jacket handy if you're heading out. Another system brings more showers and storms Monday and Tuesday, but these shouldn't be severe. The extra rain will help with dry conditions in the region. By midweek, the sun returns and temperatures rebound into the 70s and even 80s. Spring will feel like it's back by the end of the week. The key takeaway: be ready for an active stretch of weather. Take Saturday's storm seriously, then prepare for a cool, wet Sunday and more rain early next week. Stay tuned to local weather updates. We'll keep you informed every step of the way. Stay safe, Austin.